Hi, it's Jen, and I'm here to talk to you about Model Teach Look-Fors. As Carrie mentioned in her video, you only have 15 minutes to demonstrate your lesson, and we all know that 15 minutes is less than your typical classroom experience. This means you're going to have to choose a segment to teach. Please don't even try to cover everything because that's just not possible. First thing we're looking for when choosing a segment is to consider what works for you in Zoom and what will demonstrate the shift from teacher-led instruction to student-led instruction. If you have a whiteboard behind you, please use it. If you want to use the annotate feature of Zoom, please use it. If you want us to collaborate on a Google Doc or online whiteboard, we can. If you want to go low tech, you can have the audience raise cards labeled A, B, C for interaction, do that. We're really looking for teaching, not lecturing. We know the material might be new to you, but we don't want to see you reading from the Canvas page. I encourage you to consider how well you know the material or might be able to explain the material without reading from that page, and that might mean processing time for you. You can use an inanimate object and you can explain the concept to it as you're rehearsing for your Model Teach. Part of the interaction is student engagement. So pretend that we are your students. We're looking for you to stay in teacher mode and talk to us as if we were 17 and 18 years old and we're in your classroom. Use the contextualization period at the beginning of your Model Teach to set norms for the session. This is your classroom, so how would your students use Zoom? Do they use the chat feature? If they have a question, should they raise their hand? Or do they use the reaction feature in Zoom? Set those norms for us at the beginning of your session. So I know this is what a lot of information, and I want to just recap with these final look-fors. Remember to choose a segment, teach, don't lecture, make sure it's student-centered, pretend this is your classroom, and set the norms for us at the beginning of your session. If you would like a thought partner or have some questions, please stop by the Coach's Corner. Zach, Carrie, and myself are there to help you prepare for this time of PLI, and we look forward to watching you all in your classrooms.